Ladies and gentlemen, and to our distinguished professor, Dr. Maria Eliza Cruz, we all greet you a pleasant morning. One day, Julie, Hannah, Jude, Kiara, and Patricia decided to get together, and their meeting place will be San Beda College. Each of them used different kind of transportation, and almost all of them experienced pollution. When they got to see each other, they talked about their experiences regarding air pollution.
Pasensya na nga. Sa labas eh. Tapos na yung napang kakakinga. Makusok kasi.
What is air pollution? It is a broad term applied to all the physical, chemical, and biological agents that may modify the natural characteristics of the atmosphere and the environment.
Wait, ano ba yung air pollution? May dalawang types yan. Ano yung dalawang types yun? Primary at secondary.
What causes air pollution?
Yung air pollutants kasi, pwedeng natural yan or human activities.
Ano ba yung mga air pollutants na yan?
Ano nga yan? Pwedeng human activities o kaya naman pwedeng natural activities. Natural, organic reaction, mga carbon monoxide, yun. Yung mga human activities naman, syempre, gawa ng mga tao yan. Yung human activities na yan, dalawa din yan. Indoor at saka outdoor. Well, yung outdoor kasi, syempre sa labas yan. Yun yung mga sa factories, sa mga vehicles, yung mga lumalabas na usok. Tapos, syempre yung isa, indoor. Yun, syempre sa loob naman yun. Kunyari sa loob ng bahay, sa kusina, pwedeng sa CR din.
Effects of air pollution on health. Short-term effects. Irritation to the eyes, nose, and throat. Upper respiratory infections. Headache, nausea, and allergic reactions. Asthma and emphysema. Long-term effects. Chronic respiratory diseases, lung cancer, heart diseases, damage to the brain, nerves, liver, or kidneys. Recognition of rights. Right to breathe clean air. The right to utilize and enjoy all natural resources. The right to participate in the decision-making process.
Here are the responsible agencies. DOST, or also known as Department of Science and Technology, DENR, Department of Environment and Natural Resources, DOTC, Department of Transportation and Communications. Here are our responsibilities. Plant for the planet.
Sino pang magdadamayan, kundi tayo rin. Kung may pagkakataong tumulong, huwag palampasin.
Simula na ang magtanim ng mabubuting gawain. Dahil sino pang aani, kundi tayo rin.
Let us use Boysen Knockout paint in painting our walls. Because Boysen Knockout contains crystal active photocatalytic technology, which is ultrafine titanium dioxide that absorbs energy from light and transforms ordinary water vapor into hydroxyl and peroxyl radicals at the surface of the titanium dioxide.
Boysen knocks out the air cleaning paint. Do your share. Visit onewall.oneworld.com.
EMB13 intensifies Bantay Tambutso campaign through on-the-spot and free vehicle emission testing. The use of electric trikes.
Quezon. Tapos, kahit malayo, malapit, nakakapagdatid kami. Pero nakakapagpahinga naman ang agmuin ako. Yun lang.
Opo. Ano po, bakit po, ito na lang hindi motor gamit nyo?
Kasi pag sa motor, maraming kailangan eh. May lisensya ka, tapos hanapan ka ng pangkisa, tapos mahusok. Bawal sila dumaan sa mga national road.
Sa tingin niyo po kuya, ano yung magandang dinudulot ng pagmamaneho niyo ng bisikleta sa kapaligiran natin?
Okay naman po, nakakatulong naman po siya.
Opo. Nakakabawas kasi siya kuya ng usok sa kapaligiran. Sige po kuya. Salamat.
Okay.
I wanna breathe pure, clean air. Not those toxic fumes, no cigarette smoke or industrial smells. Car exhausts, they choke me up. I feel I have to throw up. Enough's enough, I've had enough. Pollution really sucks. Oh yeah. Everyone can make a difference if they try. I wanna breathe pure, clean air, not polluting aerosols. No more stinking chemicals. Let's make the world a healthy place to live. Let's make the world a healthy place to live. I wanna breathe pure, clean air, not those toxic fumes, no cigarette smoke or industrial smells. Car exhausts, they choke me up. I feel I have to throw up. Enough's enough, I've had enough. Pollution really sucks. Oh yeah. Everyone can make a difference if they try. I wanna breathe pure, clean air, not polluting aerosols. No more stinking chemicals. Let's make the world a healthy place to live. Let's make the world a healthy place to live.
At dito nagtatapos ang aming presentasyon. Maraming salamat sa inyong pakikinig. Naway kami nailimbag na aral sa inyo. At sa muli nating pagkikita mga kaibigan, paalam. Ako po si Jude Lawrence Mejia.
Patricia Ann Rania.
Kiara Jean Oka.
At para kina Julie Alforte at Hannah Krishna Bardon. Maraming salamat at sana'y tayo pagpalaan ng Diyos.